A man has been arrested for trying to smuggle electronic vaporizers and electronic liquid cartridges into Singapore. Immigration officers found 6 e-vaporizers and more than 200 liquid cartridges stashed in the 27-year-old's car at Woodlands checkpoint last Friday.
He was also suspected to be under the influence of drugs. It was later discovered that he had also hidden another 26 sets of e-vaporizers and more than 400 liquid cartridges in a SingPost pop station.
The Health Sciences Authority says it caught 15 e-vaporizer peddlers between April and June. Offenders can be fined up to $10,000 and jailed up to 6 months. Those who use e-vaporizers can be fined up to $2,000.